Youth champion. Bronze.
Nyanari ino yo kuruwa miaka 19 na Njorua ihenya ria mita 3,000 kuruga ngero na maai ateng'eri matakiritie miaka 20 ni akorete ashike kumana na irua riria andikire mweri 9 mweri uyu turi akiandikira ciama itiganite iria iramataga mathako thiini na nja wa bururi. Kuringana na Chespol gicokera uge wake Barnabas Korir eta umwe wa arugamiriri kiama-ini kia mahenya guku bururi-ini hari mbeu njithi ni ahinyiriria gwikiranira ngirimiti na golazo management ya miaka 2. Ni undu wa gukorwo tutakurutithania wira na manager wakwa wega ni utita gukorwo ngithurimwo mwiri uhoro wigi huthiri wa dawa cia kurirukia icoka maita meri. Kandarathi ya Chespol na agent wa mbere yathirire Dithemba ya mwaka muhituku Athletics Kenya kuhitukira Barnabas Korir na njira ya thimu akiuga maya nimo mari mahitia ma mbere ma Chespol kuona kuringana nao Chespol ari rungu rwa manager eri.
The big issue is about the management. Maybe she signed 2 contracts, and I think the information is also with Athletics Kenya. She had 2 contracts with 2 managers, different managers, and that was an issue. The only thing she needs to do is for the federation now to bring both managers and discuss actually who is the legitimate manager of this lady.
Kiama kia Athletics Kenya nikigerete gukinyira muthaki uyu thutha wa ciuria kuma kuri kiama gia thi kia IAAF cigemaine na niki agire guthimwo maita meri. Barnabas akiuga ahota gutungio ihera inene.
She hit the front with 4 laps to go.
Ndugamano ino iyumiritie o riria ateng'eri kuma guku bururi-ini mamurukitwo na njira nene ni kiama kia uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurirukia icoka nikio World Anti-Doping Agency. Handu-ini metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.